Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for an ice jam break in southern Venango County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Armstrong County in west central Pennsylvania, northeastern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, western Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, until 11:45 a.m. At 8:43 a.m., local law enforcement reported an ice jam on the Allegheny River at Inlenton, Pennsylvania broke, causing flash flooding downstream. Hazard: flash flooding from an ice jam break. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flooding of areas near and downstream of the ice jam break. The nearest downstream town is Foxburg. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe.